See how they just snap right off? All that is dead. That's okay. Because the leaves down here are green, and they're going to fill in pretty well for the plant. Probably want to wear gloves if you do this. Or use your pruners. I planted this butterfly bush last fall. So far, I don't see any new growth. I'm going way, way down at the bottom to look. I don't see any leaves forming. This is all dried up. This is not butterfly bush. There. I don't see anything going on with them. Let's take a snap test. Yep. Nope, that's still kind of flexible. So, I'm going to let that be a little bit. Since that's not totally dry, I'll wait on that. And it could be, just could be slow. So, it's supposed to rain this week. I'm going to see what happens after this week's rain. And if I don't see any other growth, I may have to cut it down or pull it out.